Doing this video on a 93 Ford Ranger. Had a lot of problems with it idling. I suspected it was getting air from somewhere, air leak or something or another. It's got a bunch of codes that are going off. I tried doing the cigar trick and blowing smoke in there and everything else in through the hoses, and it didn't work. Not for me anyway. So I don't have a smoke machine, but I seen a video where they used water. So we're gonna try that. Okay, so here we go. Give it a shot. Whoa. Hear that? Aha. Squirt a little in from the other side. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I can. And it's a big leak. So, I guess it's a gasket. A manifold intake gasket. So we're going to take that off, and hopefully that'll be the problem, and maybe in a couple hours it'll be running like it should. We removed it. We found this in there. It's broken, so, and cracked there. So it's definitely leaking. So I'm confident that this is going to fix it. We got the new one on there. We'll put some gasket maker on here. That's what it says to do. So that's what we did. So you guys are going to be here for the first start. Well, that ain't good. I'm guessing that we have a vacuum line hooked up wrong. Oh, well, there's one that's not even hooked up. Alright, we're back. It's been a couple of days since I've actually completed it. I put it back together the one time, and I had only replaced the top gasket. I should have known better. It comes with a kit to replace the upper and the lower. Tried to get away and just do the top. Didn't work. The bottom one had to be replaced too, so I had to take it back apart, replace the bottom one, put it back together, and it was running better, except I had a couple injectors leaking. So I took it back apart again, replaced a couple of O-rings on the injectors, and put it back together. And then we'll start her up for you. Now it runs good. Probably the best running vehicle I have right now. Don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe for more content like this.